Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we want to teach what you are seeing on your screen right now. Call it a fascinator cap. So let's get started. This day we are using the crinoline, we are using the ashoke, also using our Alice band, we have our thread, we have our needle for stitching. So let's get started. We also have our tape rule and our scissors that we'll use in cutting. So we want to make the measurements now. So our measurement, we are making it on fold. So you measure 11 with the ashoke on fold to get the bow. So on fold, 11 on fold. This is what we are going to use. So you cut it. After cutting, you take it to your machine and sew it down. You sew that place you cut down with 1/2 inches or 1/4 inch. You sew it. You will see it when we sew it. Right now we have sewn it. You can see the stitch there. So after sewing, you turn it over. Turn it to the right side. You know the stitch is not supposed to show, so you turn it to the right side to get your bow. We are trying to get our bow right. So you set it aside and take your net crinoline. That is what we are going to use next. So you thread your needle so that I can use it to make the basket stitches. So after threading your needle, you now make the basket stitches. Please go on my YouTube channel, subscribe, like, and turn on the notification so that whenever we upload a new video, you can now see it. So we have thread our needle. We will now secure our bow. We'll make our bow. So you make your bow, you secure it very well so that it can form the bow that you want. So this is what we are forming right now. We have formed the bow. Then you stitch it very well to secure the bow so that it will not loose, it will not fall out. So we have done it. That is what we are doing right now. You secure your bow. You cut the thread out. That is the remaining thread. You set it aside. Then tie your thread and pick your net crinoline. See, the net crinoline, we are now going to make a basket stitches with it. So as you can see, we are making the basket stitches already. So we will make the basket stitches on our crinoline. As you are watching, we are making the basket stitches already. So you now see the end point of the basket stitches. So after making it, is either you make the measurement first before stitching, or you stitch before measurement. So right now I want to show you the measurement that we use. So watch and see the measurement that we use. The measurement of the basket stitches. Watch. But I always advise that you take your measurement first before the stitch, before the basket stitches. So we use 15 inches for it. So you now make your basket stitches and make it firm. Make it firm. Make it firm because we want to create a very beautiful curve for it. I want to create a very beautiful style for it. So make sure you create it. Depends on what you want to do. Make sure it's fine, make sure it's beautiful. So like we want to make it like a flower curve. So after making it, you set it aside too. So right now we want to place them together. We're placing them together to see how it looks. So now place your bowl and place the basket crinoline that you have gathered. So you will now put it on it to see how it looks. So see how it look. You now secure the two together. You stitch the two together. Make it very firm. Make it very firm so that it will not lose out. Make it very firm so that the basket or the net crinoline will not remove or fall out. So always make it firm. Always make it firm. Always make it firm so that it will not fall out. So right now we want to put it on our Alice band. So we are putting it on the Alice band because Alice band is what we will use to wear it. So look at how it is on the Alice band. So to put it on the Alice band, you can use the thread and the needle to stitch it together, to tie it together. But here on this video, we want to use our gum, our candle gum, to place it on the Alice band. As we are washing, we are placing it, we are putting it on the Alice band with our gum. This is what we are doing right now. So you plug your gum, your glue gum, your hot gum, make it very hot. Then you put it and attach it to the Alice band. So after attaching it, if you like, you can still secure it with your thread to make it very, very firm. So that is what we are trying to do. So right now we have placed it. We are placing it on the Alice band. As you can see, we are placing it on the Alice band. Can you see it? We are placing it on the Alice band already. So you use the glue gum. You use the gum. Use the hot gum to place it. So we are trying to place it. We are trying to make it firm. So as you can see, we have placed it already. We have placed it on the Alice band, trying to make it very firm so that it will not lose out or fall out for any reason. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Are you learning? Are you seeing anything? Are you watching anything? Hope you are gaining something from it. Please press on the subscribe button right now. Press it, subscribe to our channel, like our video, press the notification button so that whenever we post anything, you can be notified. Right now, we want to secure the back of it so that it will not be open, it will not be rough. We want to place and cover the back. So we are covering the back with wadding. You can cover it with wadding. You can cover it with the same fabric so that the place will not be rough, the back will not be rough, and it will be able to stay on the head very well. Please go and subscribe to our channel. Go and subscribe to our channel. Like our videos. Like our videos. Right now, you can see how it looks. Looking so beautiful already. Looking so fine. You can wear it to church. You can wear it to party. You can wear it out. You can see, you want to place it on a dummy. You can see how it looks on the dummy right now on the head. You can see how fine it is. Please subscribe to our channel.